You know, if I showed up to their little village in Italy, slow down, baby, slow down, come on. Boys and girls, hello, welcome to another vlog. How's everybody doing? I'm over here in Dumbo, Manhattan, Brooklyn Bridge over here, and this guy got a ticket and I didn't, so I don't know why, but I did get a ticket the other day for no registration, expired registration, even though they were late with the stickers, but it's gonna get dismissed. I know it. Now let me set up my GPS, delete this part. Nobody needs to see this part here. Gonna go home. There we go. Go. I have my sister coming over today for some beers, and then also my friend from upstate, my friend Todd. But look at how disgusting my bike is. It's funny because usually I'm like in the cranny or a nook tucked away, but today I'm in a shiny place and disgusting. This bike is disgusting, but we're not gonna cry over spilt milk. Let's go for a cruise, boys and girls. What do you say? Let's go for a little cruise. Everything is zipped up, everything is closed, everything is all right. We're just gonna get on and ride on home on this dirty little bitch. Man, I found a Monster 937 that I would like, and then I took too long to purchase it, so it is my fault for being a neglectful, stupid person. Which way are we going? Are they all going left here? What's going on? Going left, going straight, trying to decide my plan of attack. Not even sure if there's a direct straight over there, but I don't want to deal with it. Too bumpy. We'll go this way. All right, are we recording? Good. Bumpy over here, bumpalicious and nutritious. I have a feeling it's going to be a quick little blast. Good. Doop. I gotta take a left over here. Excuse me. Awkward. What are we doing? Bro? There we go. Boys and girls, the fuck is going on around here? Thank you for watching the vloggies, man. Like, you guys are just... Uh-oh, is that after me? I hope so, because I'm ready to fucking dip. What are you fucking doing? Fucking tourists. Fucking tourists going against traffic on the fucking road. You know, if I showed up to their little village in Italy, I would not do that shit. Stupid motherfuckers. You know, and I bet their little Iligan Vitaly is lovely. you know. I'm just like, yeah, no. There we go. Man, I want to go fast. Why are these assholes going so slow? Fuck. Thanks. There we go. There we go. Anyway, that was it. That's all I get. That's my fucking commute. I mean, it's a blessing in a way, you know, that it's so short, but geez Louise, I don't get to open up at all. I get nothing. El niente. I get nothing. I don't know what's going on here, but I'm not trying to find out either. Bruh. Slow down, baby. Slow down. Come on. There we go. There we go. Slow down, baby. Slow down. Calm down. All right. Okay. Look at this shit. Traffic la galore. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. Never did. Never did. I don't know what's going on. Ha ha ha. La la la. Run for it. Run. Run. Run, Forrest. Run. Run, Forrest, run! Anyway, boys and girls, I will talk to you soon. Everybody have a good day. Everybody ride safe. You know what I mean? Don't be like this guy in the Jeep, though. What are we doing? What are we doing over here, bud? There we go. All right. Later, y'all. Bye.